Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, so thank you for watching our first vlog, second, third, fourth, and fifth.
A lot more.
Yeah.
So this is our room. See that one? But it's not yet complete. So I'm going to try to decorate this room. So here's Andrew. Hi, Bob. So let's see what will be the final look of this room. View. The corner, the ceiling, the door. It's very empty at the moment. Hopefully we can have a very nice decor for this room. But first things first, that one I'm gonna put inside. There you go, guys. I'm done with keeping all our stuff in the cabinet, and then we're going to have a separate video for the decor of my room. Hopefully next week I can finish it. I'm going to find a little bit of small furniture and like a canvas that I'm going to put on the wall. So hi guys, so we're here at home. We went to Mandawi Foam to buy side table, that one. Daddy will assemble that, and then we bought also these are foam. We don't need bed here, and we don't want to use bed, especially as Andrew is like really likes to walk these days and likes to go up and down, so it's very safe. You know, moms out there, we know that our kids, especially like toddler, like a year-old, so they like going up and down, so it's very safe if we will just use this foam and put mats on the floor, because we had a very bad experience in Plao when Andrew fell from the bed. So I don't want that to happen. So here in Bukid we will use only foam. And what we bought in at Mandawi Foam, we have here, that's this one. This is the Drew floating shelf, like we here. You can see that one. We will place it there on the wall. So there are two, and we bought hangers for our cabinet, for our clothes. We're looking at hangers, and then of course, what do you call this one, Daddy? What do you call this one? What? Guild wall, something like. We will put this below the shelf so that it will not collapse. First, we bought this one, like a like when you put something, you're going to hang your clothes or whatever you like to hang. So we got 3 of these. That's what we bought. Okay, Daddy's starting to assemble it. So we will show you what will be our bedside. We choose the first bedside table that we choose, sad to say, it is out of stock, and then the one on there's a defect, so we end up buying this design. So Daddy's trying to figure it out, so we're gonna have a time lapse for that so that you will know how well it'll do it. See you later. See you later. Are you excited? We're having some difficulty. So when we bought this one earlier today, so the sales boy, they said that's very easy, mom. There's manual inside, but we don't know how to do it. So to say, so Daddy is searching in the internet how we can assemble this. We're gonna find like a video which part is the. Because there's a lot of pieces here. There's brown, there's black, and it's just a very like small bedside table, no? So hopefully we can assemble this one. And yeah, see you guys. We're trying how to assemble our bedside table, and it's so difficult because there's no instruction which is the bar. What are the parts here? The top panel, the bottom panel, the back bar supports. So there's a lot of things going on, and Daddy is very. You gonna have that one? Can I have that for a while, Daddy? Daddy is very overwhelmed seeing this a lot of screws because our side table is just very small. If we will let you see afterwards. So, Daddy. Oh, like we are here like 15 minutes. All we did was looking at the pieces. Very simple. Look at Daddy. He doesn't know what to do. Okay, we will try to figure this out. And then look at this. This is the grinder. This is very sharp. Where? Sa down nino. Here. Really? Okay, so see you guys later. Hopefully, before the night ends, we will be able to assemble our bedside table. Okay? Time lapse again! While waiting for our side table to be assembled because it's taking forever, we're gonna watch Andrew play and Ate Rainy. What's it, Rainy? Bobby, you say hi, Bobby. Come back, Ate. Hi. So, Father Dear and Daddy Abrielle still assembling because this little buddy already woke up and needs to be fed. What, Didi? What happened to your hair? So So, where's the duck? Can you get the duck? Show them the duck, please. You get the duck. Come on, get the duck. Go get the duck. Faster. Okay, hi everyone. Okay, show the duck to them. Here. Show to the camera, Bob. Andrew. Where's the duck? Come here. The duck says. Where's the duck? Here's the duck. The duck says. Quack, quack. Very good. Where is the horse? Get the horse. There's Ducky Duck. Get the horse, Bobby. Give it to mom. Oh, give it to mommy. Where's the horse? Oh, that's a car. Where's the horse? Give me the horse, please. Where? No, that's very close. No? Andrew, where's the horse? I'm waiting for the horse. Give mommy the horse. Andrew, give me the horse. The horse is there. Give it to mommy. Oh. Yay, good job. What's the sound of the horse, Bob? Look, oh. The horse and the duck. Whoa, they're playing together. Put the... So, after 3 hours, this is our bedside table. You see how tiny it is? So, it has drawer, one drawer. It's very tiny.
Another drawer.
So, Ate putting the things, the toys of Andrew there. So that's our bedside table. So, and then we have a lot of things to buy to put on top of it. Hopefully, this little body will not ruin. Hi, boy. See? Okay, come here. Come. Okay, Ate Rain, what do you want to say, Ate Rain?
Please like and smash the subscribe button. Bye.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
And click the notification bell for more updates.
Good job. Bye, guys.